Hi guys, it's Emma. Hey guys, we're gonna go.
Make the first music video.
Yeah, first music video. It's too bright out here. Nasty out here today.
I'll make it.
No, I will. She'll hold the camera for you guys.
No sweat. I was not professional. Video young. Yes? Yeah, there's a one puddle. Yeah, I don't know. There's two puddles. I don't like two puddles. I mean, yeah. This is the first music video. We're gonna start having our own music video. You know what the song will be, but it's just about something. That's the point. We will be having this out every video, but when he goes dead on the next day, and I'm here, and we can make a music video. I'm probably gonna spend the night again.
Guys, we're gonna.
Yeah, just never
Our music video is a surprise. We gotta wait until we get up there. We're gonna tell you when we get up there, because it's so serious and it's so a surprise. Let's go.
I come to handle. Yeah. Bye. I'll meet you. Yeah, now we have sun on the.
They won't be able to see us.
Yeah, I'll just hold it. Yeah, that'll be right on the back.
Oh. How am I supposed to hold it? Here, you hold it.
Okay, guys. Back here. Now this way. Yeah, we have run before with us. Yeah, wait, sometimes step in. Step in. It's not the other back, but sometimes we step in. Poop puddle. Poop puddle. Say that. Sorry, guys. Sorry. We will have to start over.
I don't.
Yeah, we don't have to take it. Now let's go. Let's go right for a start it with a printing.
Okay.
Now we have to take out my arm and through it and hold it.
Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Guys, let me have the stupid camera. Oh God! Yeah! 257 definitely fall. Here, hold on to this.
Okay, guys. We are riding the board. It's weird, my boy.
You guys do like really fast.
We will probably wreck. I don't know. We don't know. Yeah, it will sure. Not. See that? This car. Here, car. Here. Here. Come into this. Was it on? Yep, that was Piggy's driveway. You want to see the driveway?
You're not supposed to tell the address. You just show them the address. I always stop here for a few minutes.
Yeah, we do. We will sing all day. Yeah, let's go. Ride and pray all day. Yeah, we will.
Ride and pray all day,
Yeah, we will sing along. Come on. You can sing and dance with us today.
How about you do that, Samantha? How about you say like that?
Yeah, we over for a and up back. Yeah, I keep messing up with my boy with love. Yeah, we are little crazy kids. Yeah, we don't know anything. Now sing it. Let's go. Yeah, we know. Are you ready to race? Ready, set, go, go, go. Let's do some. It's the best. Fast, ready. Yeah, this
Guys,
yeah.
and also I'm getting blisters. I don't know why.
Yeah, but this is a music video. Yeah, sorry guys. We are eating bubble tea.
I get blisters on my foot. I get blisters on my finger. Nobody knows what I'm talking about.
That's just one thing.
This little thing can Papa Willie. You want to see how it can Papa Willie?
And sweet tires. Let's go. What's your favorite?
Papa Will.
Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Papa Pop. Papa Willie. Papa Silly. Papa Willie. Papa Silly. Papa Willie. Papa Silly. Don't know why. Now that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. This book is the end of the music video. No.